Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the iCare Laptop Bed Desk. It's a portable, foldable laptop lap desk tray. It's also available or usable for tablets with USB charge port and a cup holder. A storage drawer for our bed, for a couch, for a sofa, for the office, for working, for reading, for vacation, for chill and relax time. On the bed, on the bottom, or where you need it. It's available in black, in brown, white, or in wood design. The 15 inches D to 23 inches W to 2 inches in height makes this portable, but it brings us enough space for our laptop, for example. We have here a convenient slot design and a unique USB charging interface. Because this lap desk stand is measured as a good dimensions. That means 23.6 length, 15.7 width, and 10 height, which fits. This is unfold, which fits for 17 inches or larger laptops, and it is still enough room for the mouse pad. The middle part of the laptop bed tray has a slot design, which can be used to put phones, tablets, and books into it. And we have another slot with 4 USB interfaces that can recharge our mobile phones, tablets, and other electronic devices at the same time. And we have another slot used for putting pens. It comes with a small USB fan and a lamp. Really cool, I think that is. With the cup holder and storage drawer, the foldable lap desk comes with a table, cup, holder. The depth is 3.5 centimeters. We can put our favorite drink in it without worrying about spilling. Additionally, this laptop bed desk builds a storage drawer that can help us to keep many small useful items. This multifunctional lap table will be a perfect addition to our office or home. And we have a high quality of materials and ergonomic design. The foldable lap desk is made of medium density fiber board. This is MDF and round aluminum alloy tube frame. It has an ergonomic curved desk design that is sturdy and durable at the same time. The laptop bed desk is very light. We could use it on the bed, on the couch, and the sofa, on the desktop and floor. We can watching movies, we can read, we can eat, all could be done in the bed, for example. And a foldable laptop tray for our bed. Rectangle legs could fold below this lap desk to easy storage and carry. No assembly is required. We just simply pull out the foldable legs and set up the table. And there is enough space for a stretching our feet under the table. About the maximum load, they have tested this lap desk and has no prop bearing up to 88 pounds. If our job requires put our laptop on our lap and work hunched over a few hours on it, this lap desk will help us to relieve the neck and shoulder pain. The edges and the surface are manually cut and polished, smooth, clean, round, and anti-collision to prevent shock and damage. We can use it with confidence. And it makes a good look, of course. And I care means I can tell by your smile. They wanted to bring meaningful, high-quality products to people's lives while fostering a sense of connection and well-being. They home essential design for comfort and convenience. The wellness of the product that promote a balanced lifestyle, of course. And this here is the iCare laptop bed desk. It's a portable bed desk with a USB charge port. That means there's a USB hub and cup holder and a storage door for a bed, for a couch, for a sofa, for working, for vacation, for private properties, and for the entire life. You are going to need a small desktop because this here is a big desktop, but it is smaller than a big desktop, and this can make brings us so much joy and comfort. Or another thing is, of course, if you like to bring a suite or bed and breakfast to your loved ones at home at the weekend, for example, you can use such a laptop bed desk too for that. That's possible. So you see, a big bunch of possibilities can be with that IKEA laptop bed desk. It's a portable and foldable laptop lap desk with a tray table with a USB charge port. And this port USB hub you can connect to your USB power source or to another laptop or to a power pack or power bank as you like. So you can perform this. This is a good storage and good holder for the bed, for the couch, for the sofa, for the office, for private properties, for working, for eating, for reading, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!